Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello everyone. Hi guys. Welcome back to the channel. This week was supposed to be a peaceful one because I was fully focusing on wrapping up my final project. But well, that is life in the professional world. uh, Surprises always come from the most unexpected direction uh, on out of nowhere. My director dropped magnifying test on me exactly. The assignment build a CV and portfolio from scratch, optimize then across 6 different ATS checker website until uh, they hit a high score. Console ChatGPT and then apply to 1,000 international companies plus 100 domestic companies, a total of 200 job application in one single week. Sounds chaotic, absolutely. But since the final deliverable for this test is literally a YouTube tutorial and a storytelling video, inside this video I'm going to break down exactly how I survived this crazy test, how I utilize ChatGPT to tweak my CV and portfolio, and the exact strategy I use to apply to 200 companies without losing my sanity. Let's break it down. Step 1. I didn't have time to guess what was wrong with my resume, so I immediately called in ChatGPT to act as my personal HR assistant. No, I don't just say please fix my CV. That's the lazy way, and it yields terrible result. My strategy was using a highly specific prompt. I told ChatGPT, act as an international executive recruiter with strict ATS standard, analyze this CV, identify its weakness, and provide actionable bullet points based on strong action verbs and metric driven result. Then the results, ChatGPT instantly point out that my CV lacked quantitative data and impact numbers. Once the CV was polished, I moved on to the portfolio. The problem with most portfolios is that they are either too cultured or lack a clear narrative. I asked ChatGPT to review the structure of my portfolio, asking, does this case study actively of my portfolio? Does this case study effectively use the STAR method, situation, test, action, results? From there, I got the insight need to clean up my design flow and documentation so recruiters can grab my value proposition within the first 5 seconds. Now the real battle began in step 3, analyzing the CV across 6 different ATS checker platform. Yes, 6. No cutting corners. We are talking about resume worded, uh, enhanced resume, my CVC creator, my perfect resume, all the way to 1 million resume. Why so many? Because every platform uses a slightly different scanning algorithm. My score might be an 80 on resume WordPress, but the moment I upload it to Enhance or resume, it breaks down due to formatting issues or font compatibility. The process here was an endless loop: upload, check errors, fix the document, export to PDF, and re-upload over and over again until the graph turned green and the scores hit the ceiling. Was it exhausting? Incredibly, but the silver lining is that my CV is now completely bulletproof. No matter what other assistant it gets thrown into, it's highly likely to pass the initial screening. Uh, Next up was the most energy draining part of the assignment: applying to 200 companies, 100 global and 100 local. For the international market, I focus on platform specific niches. I scout Japan dev for foreigner friendly tech roles in Japan, then hit LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor for remote position, all the way to Middle Eastern platform like Byte, now now Gulf and Gulf Talent. I also made sure to leverage relocate me and ArcDev. The biggest challenge with global application is tailoring your resume to their specific market culture. Uh, Fortunately, because my CV was already optimized to global standard, in the previous step, the actual application process went by much faster. Done with the first 100? No, time to breathe yet. I immediately jump into 100 domestic companies using Glints, JobStreets, and local LinkedIn position. My survival strategy here was utilizing the easy apply or quick apply features on roles that perfectly matched my skill set, combined with a dynamic cover letter template where I just had to swipe out the company name and title using a bit of smart automation. Then, alright, so after surviving this absolute storm of an assignment, right in the middle of a high task final project week, what is the ultimate takeaway? To be completely honest, at first I thought this task for my director was completely unrealistic and unnecessary, but after actually pushing through and completing it strategically, I realized something. It was a form of shock therapy. I was forced to build an elite professional asset package, CV, and portfolio that is already to complete in the global market at the moment's notice. Right now, my profile is sitting in hundreds of company databases all over the world. Now, we just wait and see what rolls in. For those of you who might currently be facing an absurd sudden test from your boss or professor, well, don't throw in the towel just yet. Leverage AI, maximize the digital tools available, and work smart and not just hard. Thank you so much for tagging along on this wheel journey with me this week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see if I actually get callbacks from any of these 200 companies. Catch you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.